Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here today we're doing a beautiful summery look, and I've already gone straight into the brown shade all over the lid, which was the generous shade, and then in the outer corners I'm going in with the inquisitive shade just to deepen up the look and go along the lower lash line. The palette I'm using today is the Citrine palette, November Gemstone palette from BHS Cosmetics. And I thought it would just be a nice fun tutorial to do with you guys for an easy summer look. And maybe this is a palette that you've forgotten about. You can still buy it at the Revolution Beauty website. And I got it at an amazing price in the sale. I only got it for £2.49p, something like that. I'll link it in the description box below for you guys. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shades. The shades in this are just lovely browns. You get 3 shimmery shades, 3 mattes, and then 1 glitter, which is the shade called Brilliant. It's very lovely, but with that shade you will need a glitter eye glue, which you'll see me using at the end of this video. All the shades in this palette worked extremely well, stayed on the eyelid for a long time. They blended out beautifully. It's already done the yellow shade across the lid. Now I'm just going in to my inner corner with some more of that citrine shade and just buffing it up to the upper bit of my eyelid. Because I have quite hooded eyes, I like to sort of take it up a bit higher, so when I'm looking like face on at somebody, they can actually see that colour going up a bit higher instead of when I'm just only looking down. Next shade I'm taking is the shade called Determined. It's like a lovely coppery sort of metallic-y shade, and I'm just putting that all over just like to the near the edge of the outer corner, but not quite there, just a little bit, and then sort of blending it in a little bit to this citrine shade. On the other side of the lid, taking that citrine shade. It's a lovely, vibrant, shimmery yellow. It's really lovely. I don't have anything like this in my collection. I don't know about you guys. Let me know in the description box down below. Do you have this palette? Is it something you would go to pick up? And this is my finished look. How quick and easy was that? I've come back with some mascara, and now in a minute I will show you what I used for my inner corner. I mixed 2 shades together. I mixed the citrine shade with the brilliant shade. I used a lash glitter glue that I got on Amazon. I'll link that down below. But yeah, that's the finished look, and this is what I used. Here we go. So that's called Love Shy Fix Lash Glue, and you can pick it up on Amazon. Not much money at all. It seems to be working really well. It doesn't irritate my eyes. Really liking it at the moment, but as I use it more and more, I'll update you on this product, let you know if it's any good or not. This is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.